I, Andrew, take thee, Chloe, to be my wife.
I, Andrew, take thee, Chloe, to be my wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer or for poorer.
For richer or for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
This ring I give thee.
This ring I give thee.
In token and pledge.
In token and pledge.
Of our constant faith.
Of our constant faith.
And abiding love.
And abiding love.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father.
And the Son.
And the Son.
And the Holy Spirit.
And the Holy Spirit.
I now pronounce you husband and wife, whom God hath joined together, let not man put asunder. Andrew, you may kiss your bride.
Even when you don't feel like loving one another, I've seen you cling to the Word of God and persevere. And as much as I want to continue to be your best friend, I know I can't. That spot now belongs to Chloe. And I'm happy to step aside and let her fill that role. As your best man, I like to think I know what's best for my greatest friend. And I know without a doubt that's Chloe. Chloe and Andrew, tonight we celebrate you. We all wish you a lifetime of happiness, love, health, success, and laughter. May you continue to find humor in the bad and appreciation for the good. May you continue to seek out Christ as a couple and grow closer to each other as you grow in faith.